section 10.5, surface area of pyramids and cones. So looking at last section, section 4, surface area of prisms and cylinders, understanding how that works makes this so much quicker to understand. Just thinking about what's the difference between prisms and pyramids, what's the difference between cylinders and cones. I mean, right off the bat, pyramids only have one base. Prisms had two, so now you only need one base area measurement. In prisms, the lateral faces were rectangles or parallelograms. Now they're going to be triangles. So looking at that change. And then those generic formulas will take and will generalize, will make more specific to the cone. So first, our lateral area of a pyramid. If you take the lateral faces, kind of pull them off, string them together, you see we only have triangles, where before we had a rectangle or parallelogram. So our perimeter around the shape, around the base, 4 S's in this case, and then our lateral height, our slant height, we're going up the side of one of the lateral faces now. Instead of going straight up through the shape, we're going up this lateral or slant height. So this slant height and the perimeter would get us our lateral area, but we only have triangles now. Before we had rectangles. So just like rectangle, base times height, triangle 1/2 base times height. For prisms, it was perimeter times your altitude. Now it's half the perimeter times the slant height, going up the lateral face of the pyramid, rather than straight up and down. Your surface area, again, there's only one base to think about. So rather than 2 base area, just 1 base area plus your lateral area, which is 1/2 your perimeter times your slant height. So to take these and generalize them to cones, so 1/2 perimeter times slant height. Now the distance around the outside of a circle, the perimeter of a circle, again we call that circumference, 2 pi r, but we only want half of that, so 1 pi r. So 1 pi r times L gets us our lateral area. So pi r L to get our lateral area. To get our total surface area, we only want 1 circle plus our lateral. So pi r squared plus pi r L to get us our total surface area, which you can't see that. Gonna come down, there you go. So pi r squared plus pi r L. So in the example I have at the bottom of the notes, do that, work through it, then check your answer with my completed notes online.